Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Desi Ghee, the ghee that you buy at stores, which I think is really overpriced. Now it's really easy to make Desi Ghee, which is the Indian term from North Indian, how it came from. It's called Desi Ghee because it comes from like those cows that are origin to India. So that's why the name Desi Ghee. But in the United States, you see the term ghee. So ghee is actually made from butter, which is actually a clarified butter. So today I'll show you how to quickly make ghee out of butter. So what you need is any kind of unsalted butter. So I'm using this here. Any unsalted butter is fine. So you need like 4. I generally use the whole pack. So if I have 4 bricks of these, I'm gonna like cook all 4 bricks and let it boil and sit. And once all the white material solidifies or like settles to the bottom and you get like a clear oil like thing on the top, that's when you know that the clarified butter ghee is done. So as you can see here, it's right now cooking. Okay, so I used those 4 sticks of butter and now you can see the butter is melting. So I'm gonna like turn up the heat a little and I have to wait till it completely boils. And you will see like once it starts boiling, the white milk solids will start settling down and on the top it'll be just a clear yellowish oil left on the bottom. So I'm gonna wait till it's done, and after it's done you're gonna let it cool and we'll strain the milk solids, and then you have the clarified butter, the ghee, ready to use in all your favorite dishes. I personally like ghee because it enhances flavor with, you know, of whatever thing I want to cook. Like I add it, I use it as an oil or any cooking oil actually, and cook my vegetables or eggs or anything, and it tastes really good. I mean, I like it on my Indian style bread as well, and yeah, it makes it so delicious. So I'm not going to talk about the benefits of ghee, which you can watch in other videos on those, but this is just how to make ghee at home, where it doesn't cost much because it's 4 bricks of butter. You can buy it at any grocery store. Just make sure you get the unsalted kind because we don't need salt in our ghee. So yeah, 4 sticks usually cost about $3 or something. Just get any kind that you like, and then cook it until it boils, and then you'll have the ghee ready. Thanks. Now you can see that the white solids, or the white milky part of the butter, has settled down, or you see more. It looks more like a clarified oil or butter now. But we still have some of the milk solids. As you can see on my spoon, there are some milk solids that have settled at the bottom. So what we do is once this, so this is like a good temperature now, we can turn off the stove. And once this cools down, then we'll strain it, and you can remove the milk solids. Actually, those are edible too. You can just add like some sugar or something and eat those milk solids. Those are very tasty as well. But the main thing was the ghee, and once you strain it, all this liquid thing, ghee, you can put it in preferably a glass container, and it can stay okay outside, so you can leave it on the kitchen countertop and it'll be fine for a few months. Actually, at least a couple months it'll be good. So yeah, use it as you like. And this is the ghee, the homemade ghee. Doesn't cost much. It took me about 20 minutes to make it. Super easy. And places where you can find ghee, you can make it yourself. Hope you. Okay, this is how the ghee will look like once it cools down. You'll see it's more like yellow oil thing on the top, and the bottom you'll see some brown solids, which are actually the milk solids that have settled down now. So now I find a container, preferably like a glass container, like I said. So I'm using this empty glass container. I found it from an empty pasta jar. So you can use any pasta jar bottles or any glass containers if you have. Then you could strain it if you like. What I do is sometimes just, you know, strain the top part of it, but actually it's better to use a strainer. So I use like a mesh strainer and then strain this oil and then pour it in a container. And that's it. Alright, so that's how you make the ghee. Hope you like my videos. I do make homemade cheese as well sometimes. Not the European cheese, but the Indian cheese, which is called farmer's cheese. So I'll show you a video of that too sometimes. Hope you like this video of how to make ghee at home. And it tastes really good. It costs basically nothing. It's like $3 or $4. I mean, you can get a really good quality butter too, but I usually get just basic butter from any grocery store, and then cook it, and there you have it, ghee. Thanks, bye.